everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you smokers for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Smoke and Mirrors from the 2nd to the 6th of March 2026 on Monday. Jason vent about his slow recovery. Fanyana quit the hotel and Thandiswa is shaken by a bad dream. Meanwhile, Petunia starts rehab. Thabo moves in and Leroy plays a big surprise baby shower for Mamiki on Tuesday, so to ignore Thandiswa's fears until a near-fatal accident at the coal depot changes his mind on Wednesday. After another near-death scare, Zoletu learns Jason and Martha are using dark forces against them, while Thabo bonds with the family and support Petunia through her addiction on Thursday. Thandiswa convinces doubtful Zoletu to undergo a protection ritual as Jason broods over his losses. Sakhile receives a death threat and Thabo opens up about his father's death on Friday. Thandiswa fears looming danger as Songanga warns of dark forces. Jason frets over lost power and Sakhile faces more death threats. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.